At the time of this recording, I'm 33 years old and a multimillionaire, but it wasn't always like this because in my first 2 years in business, I only made $2,000 total. That's it. So if I could go back in time and give my younger self, my teenage self, some advice on how to get rich faster, this is exactly what I'd say. Let's get into it. So rule number one is don't walk down the wrong path. Most people float through life with no plan, no vision, no mission. They wake up, they follow the crowd, and 10 years later, they wonder why they're broke and unhappy. You need to figure out exactly where you're going, set a target, something you actually want, so when life hits you with hard decisions, you can make choices that serve that mission. Having a goal gives you clarity, and clarity gives you power. Without it, you're lost. Which brings us to rule number two. Stop wanting everyone to support your dream. Let's be real, most people won't get it. They're scared of risk. They value comfort. So when you start talking about big goals, it makes them uncomfortable. They'll tell you to be realistic. They'll project their fear onto you. But the cool part is you don't need them to support you. You need to surround yourself with people who believe in chasing greatness. Cut out the anchors and find win for yourselves. Which brings us to rule number three, never take shortcuts. There's only one real way to do things, and that's the right way. If you cut corners, you sell trash products, or you partner with shady people just to make a quick buck, it will catch up to you. Think of it like the gym. Sure, you can cheat reps to lift more weight, but the results won't last. If you want strength that lasts, you have to lift with proper form. Business is the exact same. Do it with integrity from the start. You may move slower in the beginning, but you'll go further in the end. Which brings us to rule number four, stop being a fat pussy. I say this with urgency, not judgment. Most people are terrified of conflict. They avoid tough conversations and they end up resenting their own life. They build teams they can't stand. They tolerate bad clients. They stay quiet when they should speak up, and it eats them alive. Every time I see a problem, I confront it head on. So if you want peace in your life and business, you have to be willing to create conflict when necessary. Which brings us to rule number five, don't take yourself so seriously. In the grand scheme of things, we're all going to die. You're one person out of billions on a floating rock in space, so let that humble you because your problems aren't as big as they seem. Your failures won't matter in a few years, so don't let ego rob you of joy. Enjoy the game, build with passion, laugh along the way, and the goal is to grow and help others grow, not be miserable chasing perfection. Which brings us to rule number six, nobody cares if you're successful. If your only motivation is to impress people, you'll burn out fast. You have to be driven by something deeper, growth, fulfillment, mastery, because at the end of the day, most people are too caught up in their own problems to care about yours. You have to do it for you because it matters to you, which brings us to rule number seven, it's never going to be perfect, waiting for the right time. It's not coming. Conditions will never be ideal. If you only take action when it's easy, you'll never do anything important. The greats build in the chaos. They move forward even when they're uncertain. So you need to start now, you start messy, you build your strength in the storm. Which brings us to rule number eight. Learn to work with people. You can't build anything big alone. People are the key. Teammates, clients, mentors, partners. If you hate people, you'll never unlock wealth. Collaboration multiplies your impact, and besides being rich and lonely is a recipe for disaster. You need to learn to lead. You need to learn to listen. You need to learn to work with people, even when it's hard. Which brings us to rule number nine. Revenge is the best success when people doubt you. It hurts, right? I've had friends laugh at me, family members dismiss me. I had a girlfriend actually leave me because of the business I was starting in the beginning. Instead of arguing, I used it. Every painful comment became fuel. I trained harder, I worked longer, I focused deeper. And when success came, the same people who doubted me came back. Some apologized, some asked for help, and I gave it because that's real power. Which brings us to rule number 10, avoid the work and get no results. I wasted 3 years making excuses. I knew I needed a mentor, but I told myself I couldn't afford it. And then I finally invested. And 1 week later, I made $10,000, which was triple what I used to make in a month. The lesson there is the longer you wait to do what you know you need to do, the longer you stay stuck. Pay the price now or stay broke. Which brings us to rule number 11, people won't get you if you're aiming for greatness. Be prepared to be misunderstood. People who don't want what you want won't understand why you work so hard. And that's okay. You're not doing it for them. You're doing it for you. The higher you climb, the fewer people you'll meet who get it. But the ones who do, they're definitely worth the wait. Which brings us to rule number 12, stop letting fear control you. Most people live in fear of what could go wrong, but fear is a liar because what if it could go right? You have more control than you think, and even if you fail, you'll grow. That's the point. Trying and failing will always beat not trying and wondering. Which brings us to rule number 13, discipline the body, discipline the mind. I work out every day, not just for aesthetics, but for discipline. Pushing your body trains your brain. It teaches you grit, focus, and endurance. So if you want to level up your mind, start with your body. Get strong, get lean, 15 and watch your mindset transform. Which brings us to rule number 14. Not everybody will cheer for you. Get over it. As you grow, you make others uncomfortable. You reflect back to them what they're not doing. So you don't want to take it personally, just keep rising. Eventually, their noise fades. Your results speak for themselves. Which brings us to rule number 15. Consistency solves everything. You don't need to be a genius. You just need to show up. Most people quit too soon. They expect success overnight. But if you're willing to keep showing up, the results will come. Consistency compounds. So be the one who never stops. Which brings us to rule number 16. Nobody cares. I hit $1 million a month in revenue in 18 months in starting my business, and guess what? Nobody cared. And at first it did crush me, but then I realized I wasn't doing this for them, I was doing it for me. You'll never be fulfilled chasing applause. You want to do it because you truly love the game. Which brings us to rule number 17, pain creates strength. Growth doesn't happen in comfort, it happens in pain. The more problems you face, the more skills you're gonna build, the stronger you're gonna become. And guess what? People pay big money to those who can solve big problems. Which brings us to rule number 18, expectations will ruin you. Pain comes from expectation, expecting people to act a certain way, expecting success to feel a certain way. The truth is, once you get what you wanted, you just want something else. Happiness doesn't come from outcomes, it comes from appreciation. Which brings us to rule number 19, you get what you give. Success isn't about you, it's about what you can create for others. The moment you focus on helping others win, your own success multiplies. You want to give value, you want to lift others, and you'll watch it all come back to you. Which brings us to rule number 20, problems show you where you're not free. Every problem is a signal, a mirror, a message. Wherever you feel stuck, there's something you haven't built, learned, or mastered. So instead of avoiding problems, get curious, fix them, and free yourself. If you want to learn how to become great even when you're not feeling motivated, I made a video on exactly that, and you can watch it just by clicking here.